In the world of heavy-duty trucks, Scania stands as a legend. For over a century, the company has built a reputation for innovation, reliability, and sheer engineering excellence. But have you ever wondered what goes into making these massive machines? It's not just assembling parts. It's a carefully orchestrated process that blends high-tech automation with expert craftsmanship. From the initial design phase to the final quality checks, every step is a testament to Scania's obsession with precision and performance. So, let's take a deep dive into the Scania production process. How do raw materials transform into powerful ready-road trucks? What happens behind the scenes in Scania's state-of-the-art factories? Well, buckle up. We're about to explore everything from design and assembly to painting, testing, and final delivery. By the end, you'll have a whole new appreciation for the level of detail that goes into every Scania truck that hits the road. Every Scania truck starts with a vision. Before a single bolt is tightened or a panel is welded, engineers and designers work together to bring the concept to life. Now, this phase isn't just about sketching a blueprint. It's about designing the future of transportation. Scania engineers used advanced computer-aided design, CAD, software to create 3D models of every truck component. These digital prototypes allow them to test different configurations, simulate real-world performance, and refine designs before they even touch a physical part. Now, this approach saves time, reduces waste, and ensures that every truck is optimized for durability, efficiency, and safety. But it's not just about raw performance. Comfort and usability are just as important. Scania's design teams collaborate across multiple disciplines, from aerodynamics to ergonomics, to make sure the truck is both fuel efficient and driver friendly. One of Scania's biggest strengths is its modular design philosophy. Instead of designing every truck from scratch, Scania sometimes uses interchangeable components, allowing for greater customization and easier maintenance. And this means customers can build the perfect truck for their specific needs, whether for long-haul transport, construction, or distribution. Once the design is set, it's time to bring a Scania truck to life, starting with top-quality materials. The chassis, high-strength steel for the perfect mix of durability and weight efficiency. Lighter materials like aluminum and composites go into the cab, fuel tanks, and engine parts, helping cut weight and boost fuel economy without losing strength. And then there are the essentials. Copper for wiring, rubber for seals and tires, and various plastics for both the interior and exterior. But it's not just about raw materials. Scania works with trusted suppliers worldwide to get plastics for both the interior and exterior. Scania works with trusted suppliers worldwide to get everything from bolts and transmissions to upholstery and electronics. And of course, it's not just any part makes the cut. Every component goes through strict quality checks before it even hits the production floor. From powerful engines and smooth transmissions to advanced braking and smart tech, every Scania truck is built to last, ready for the road, no matter the challenge. At Scania's advanced assembly lines, robots and skilled technicians work together to build top-quality truck chassis, a perfect mix of precision and expertise. The robots handle the super precise stuff, welding, cutting, and placing components, so every chassis comes out identical and flawless. But human hands are just as important. Technicians keep a close eye on the process, making adjustments in real time to ensure everything meets Scania's high standards. Over at Scania's cab factory in Oskarshamn, Sweden, around 288 robots are in action. They're taking care of tasks like positioning panel parts, welding them together, all the while as employees load the stations and monitor the machines. Once the chassis is ready, it's time to add the powertrain, the heart of the truck. And with that in place, the vehicle's core structure is complete and ready for the next steps before hitting the road. Now, no Scania truck is complete without a powerful, fuel-efficient engine. That's why Scania built its own from scratch, making sure every truck delivers top performance and legendary reliability. It all starts with raw materials, carefully machined into precision components like the crankshaft, pistons, and camshaft. Advanced robotics handle the assembly with pinpoint accuracy, while expert engineers run rigorous tests to ensure efficiency and emissions compliance. Scania also manufactures its own gearboxes at its Södertälje facility in Sweden, producing some of the best transmissions in the industry. From axles and differentials, every part of the powertrain is built for smooth operation and fuel efficiency. With a strong focus on sustainability, Scania is leading the way in alternative fuels and electrification, including hydrogen, battery electric, and biofuel-compatible powertrains. Keeping everything in-house, Scania ensures its trucks are efficient, reliable, and built for the future. If the chassis is the truck's backbone and the engine is its heart, then the cabin is its brain and soul. It's where the driver spends hours, sometimes days behind the wheel. So every detail matters. At Scania's cab factory in Oskarshamn, Sweden, production is a high-tech operation. Every day, around 150 tons of galvanized steel are transformed into cab components, ensuring strength and safety. Automated robots handle the structural assembly, ensuring precise welding and uniformity. And once the cab structure is complete, it moves to the interior assembly line, where human workers take over. Dashboards, seats, infotainment systems, and climate controls are installed with careful attention to detail. Scania's focus on driver comfort means every button, screen, and control is placed for maximum ease of use. A Scania truck isn't just a workhorse, it's a statement, whether it's hauling cargo for a big logistics company or built to match a passionate owner's vision. The paint job plays a huge role in making it stand out. Scania's high-tech paint booths make sure every truck gets a flawless, long-lasting finish. The paint doesn't just look extremely good, it protects the truck from harsh weather, road debris, and UV rays, keeping it in top shape for years. But the real fun is in the customization. Customers can pick from hundreds of colors, plus a range of finishes like matte, metallic, or high gloss. And if you need branding, no problem. Logos, decals, and custom graphics turn a truck into a moving billboard. At the end of the day, a Scania truck isn't just about performance. It's about making a bold statement on the road, and the right paint job helps it do just that. Now, before a Scania truck hits the road, it has to pass a tough series of tests, because when it comes to performance and safety, nothing is left to chance. First up, engineers go over every detail, from wheel alignment and braking to engine performance and electronics. Advanced diagnostics make sure everything, down to the smallest sensor, is working perfectly. But then there comes the real test. A pre-sales specialist takes the truck for a test drive. They check how it handles, accelerates, and brakes, and make sure it feels exactly how a Scania truck should: smooth, powerful, and reliable. If anything's off, it will go straight back for adjustments. Only after passing every check with flying colors does the truck get the green light for delivery. Whether it's joining a long-haul fleet or heading to an independent owner, every Scania truck leaves the factory road-ready and built to perform. Now, the final stage is where everything comes together. The cab, chassis, and engine are finally merged into one fully functional truck. It's not just about putting the pieces together. Every connection is double-checked, every system is fine-tuned, and every detail is inspected to make sure the truck is ready for the road. Once assembled, each vehicle goes through a series of rigorous final inspections to ensure it meets Scania's high standards. Only after passing these tests does it get the green light for shipment, and it's ready to hit the road and serve customers around the world. But Scania doesn't just hand over the keys and call it a day. They go the extra mile to make sure each truck stays in top shape for years to come. Drivers get specialized training to help them get the most out of their vehicles, and Scania's after-sales support team means expert help is always within reach. Their maintenance programs are well designed to keep trucks running smoothly, whether through thorough servicing, software updates, or technical assistance. It's all a part of Scania's commitment to reliability and customer satisfaction, because a truck isn't just a machine, it's a long-term investment. When a Scania truck rolls off of the assembly line, it's more than just a machine. It's the result of precision engineering, expert craftsmanship, and relentless innovation. These trucks don't just move cargo, they power industries, connect cities, and help businesses thrive. But the Scania experience doesn't end at delivery. With a strong focus on sustainability, fuel efficiency, and advanced technology, Scania is shaping the future of transport. Whether it's through cleaner engines, smart connectivity, or long-lasting reliability, every truck is built with one goal in mind: to go the extra mile. Literally. So the next time you see a Scania truck on the highway, you'll know it's not just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of engine built to last. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And we'll see you in the next one.